Okay, so we're just going to go into one of the chats with our processing team here. This customer complained, said he didn't see any changes. We get that sometimes, but look at that, 14 deleted. The guy didn't, he didn't update his credit report, meaning he didn't subscribe to credit monitoring. Then we had to pay for it again, and then we got all of this stuff finally updated in this. Guys, let me be frank. Deleted everything, okay? So some customers they just don't know how to look at their reports. And as you can see, 10 items deleted. His score is 729. We got his score up to 729. And items deleted. So as you can see, we're pretty good at repairing credit. 42 negative items deleted. The score jumped up 117 points. So this is the stuff I get done for my clients.